Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and we're doing chicken korma today. Courtesy of Sharwoods. Let's get started. Alright, for ingredients, you got 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 onions, diced or chopped, now the finer you chop them, the more they'll disappear, but that's fine. Now, 3 grated cloves of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of ginger, also grated. 4 tablespoons of curry powder. There you go, your neighbors are gonna love you. 1 cup of cream. And then 1 pound of chopped chicken. You can use breast or thighs, but I had breasts, so that's what I used. All your ingredients are ready, within reach, and ready to go. Preheat your pan, and in goes your oil and butter. Now add your garlic and ginger until it's fragrant, and then you'll add your onions. Now your goal on your onions is to get them golden and soft. Now this will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Give it an occasional stir. In goes the curry powder. Your goal is to coat the onions with them. There you go. Make room for your chicken and sauté that for about 5 minutes. Don't worry about it not being all the way done, because you're gonna cook in cream for a while. Add your cream and bring it up to a boil. And as soon as you get it to that boil, you're going to quickly reduce it to a simmer and let it simmer for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. See, turn it down. There you go. Now you're about done here. Cheers. Oh, but we gotta plate it. Put in a plate and then top with some almonds, and if you got cilantro, I would use that, but I don't. But I wanted something green, so I went with broccoli. Don't think it's traditional, but it was good. So, cheers.